So I'm starting to dislike vibe coding. I know I just made a video the other day saying that I lost my addiction to vibe coding and wanted it back. But yesterday I spent a whole bunch of time actually vibe coding. I think I realized why I stopped vibe coding in the first place. I think there are really two different types of people. People that like to make software that makes money. People that like to build software because they actually enjoy coding. I'm starting to think I'm the latter type of person. When I vibe code, I just don't like the experience of waiting for the editor to write my code. It just feels really weird. I actually prefer the feeling of coding and writing it out. Coding is actually enjoyable to me. And it's also very annoying when AI makes some really, really dumb mistakes. Like yesterday, for example, I was trying to use React Native and trying to make a slider. I pulled in some deprecated library that didn't even work. And I spent like 2 hours debugging that before I just decided to go look up in the docs myself and figured it out. Stuff like that really annoys me with AI. Is not up to date on documentation or frameworks, so it can make really dumb mistakes and hallucinate a lot if you're not completely on top of it. And also, when AI writes all the code, you just don't understand what's going on, so it's really hard to go in there and change things. Another thing I've been wondering about is this challenge I started a challenge to make $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue in 10 weeks with a mobile application. And I'm starting to wonder why I even did this. Maybe it was just my shiny object syndrome pitching in again, seeing people making apps and earning a lot of money these days, which I think is great. I really do respect some of those guys that definitely are out there hustling, but I'm not sure if that's really what I want to do. There's something about this ship fast mentality, make a startup, get to 10K MRR that I really just don't like. I feel like people are more doing it for the fact they can make money, which I think is really where the whole thing about AI is coming out. Is people see these tools that can build software really fast, even if it's bad. But if they can sell it, that's all they care about. I just don't think I really like the experience. I don't think I want to spend 20% of my time coding out the application and 80% of it marketing and selling. That is just not really what I'm in. I feel almost every software developer deals with this because it's one of those spaces where you have a lot of freedom to build whatever you want to build. So it's a problem that maybe I'm not too worried to have, but it's a problem that I think I'm starting to make a firm decision on, being on the other side of the aisle, I guess. I'm heavily considering just dropping this challenge entirely and doing a boot camp or something and actually learning how to code along with my CS degree fundamentals I have. I think I could learn a lot, and I feel like I would enjoy that a lot more than what I'm currently doing. But those are my current thoughts. I'm posting every single day. See you guys tomorrow.